are here at the all right, y'all, we're here at the drag strip. Marty just parked his car over there. I don't know if it came out. Right now we're gonna go buy our entrance wristbands, and he's never done this before. He's never done it either.
First time here, this fast ass cars.
So we're gonna see what this is about. We already got a Hellcat that pulled up. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully it turns fun. There's people here setting up their modded vehicles and stuff. So. Open up that home Marty to see it. Yeah, put that shit away. Hellcats here.
The Hellcats.
Marty on his first race. Marty.
Nervous. I don't know what I'm doing.
No idea. We'll get you right now when you're going up there. He's fucked. So screwed. He's like, you can drink as long as not right here. I'm like, oh duh. I'm not gonna drink right here next to the car. Much about you doing.
So you'll double tap this and it turns it on, and you'll see the wings do that.
I'm waiting for Marty to get set up with the races yet. Apparently the stream was too hot, but drone set up right here. We're gonna get some good aerial shots of the finish line. See how it goes. Hopefully Marty's going against like a Mustang. We'll see how it goes. Marty's heart's racing right now. Oh, he did get it! Oh shit, Marty got it! Okay. Marty! How was your first race, Marty?
Oh man, I spun out so fucking hard. It was. Did you see how I was going? Like, bro,
yeah, no, I got scared. I thought you were gonna crash. I was like, no, he just got this car.
Yeah, but all those drifting skills,
When I saw you doing that, I was like, please just stop your car and just gain traction.
I let go of the gas and I was just like, ooh.
Yeah, you got your ass kicked.
I don't know. I got one, but I fucking spun out.
Yeah, but both of y'all spun out at the beginning.
Yeah.
Both of y'all were having problems getting, but
my tires, they're not it. I'm gonna replace those tires for sure.
Yeah, the guy was like, well, if he's running treads, like he said to spin out and then find the groove from the race before you and just sit in there and hope that you don't spin out. You gonna do another run or no?
Hell yeah.
You gonna do another run?
I'm gonna go again.
All right, cool. I'm going for the Scat. I'm up for something. He's used right there. Okay, I got him? Oh yeah, I did get him.
You got him on the
coming up.
Another Scat pack.
Another Scat pack. You don't mind if I record your car? You're good? We got another Scat pack right here. It's a 2019 versus 2020. Let's see how it goes. This guy's more experienced than Marty. Marty's a noob.
I'm a noob.
Yo. Let's get it, Marty. Yeah, good shit, Marty. Good shit.
Burn them boys.
That was good. Fuck yeah. 12.7, baby. 12.7. Woo! Good.
Yes, sir. There you
Broke
go. Let's
13.
see the time on that one. Let's see the time.
Woo! Broke 13s, mother. I whooped that dude. Check it out. 12.85. Best one,
sir.
13.6. That's
Damn, that's crazy.
whole second
$3
better.
more.
Whole second better. Hey, can't complain. Bro, I felt
That was
good.
That was good. That was a good race.
That was a good
Shit.
take.
That was a good ass takeoff.
They didn't let you run against that guy again?
No, I pretty much raced against that guy, so. Bro, that's not bad. That's fucking, I felt good. I felt good.
That was really good.
I felt the tires spin and then they just caught and I fucking floored it. Like as soon as they
you
caught, I
caught
floored it.
That was good. Like you took off really good. Like
Yeah.
it looked too good to be you. Like, I saw you there, I was like, that's not Marty. That's
No
not Marty.
shit, like, bro, I got a whole ass video of me like, woo! Like, woo! Woo! Where's that beer? Where's that beer? I earned that beer.
Oh, yeah. Hey, wait, let's get a MOPAR.
Let's get a MOPAR, baby.
Let's get a
MOPAR, baby, MOPAR.
MOPAR, baby. Bro, everyone's looking at us right now like these guys are fucking douchebags.
Fuck 'em.
After a good day of racing, we're gonna come here and refuel at IHOP. It's already 1 a.m. We're tired. It's been a long day. It's super hot.
I don't know about you.
It's
I'm
super.
fueled. I'm MOPAR. MOPAR.
His first win, and I
Not
think he's real good.
Be my best time by a second. What can I say? Stock tires. Can't complain. Can't complain.
He did good. He did really good. I'm impressed, honestly.
The last one for
I
sure.
wasn't expecting anything past the 13, honestly. All right, y'all, we just got home. We are exhausted. Today was a long day. We're gonna go check out some of the videos right now. Don't look at the dirty kitchen. We're gonna go check out some of the clips right now. But other than that, that's it for today. We should be doing something next week, hopefully a lot more entertaining than this week, but it was still fun. Good day today. Right, Marty, what would you say? Good day?
Good ass day. Confidence boost.
Good day, good day.
What's going on, guys? Just about to take off. Finally, those yellow bumpers. Look at that. Kind of see it's causing a little bit of scratches. Maybe be cleaned off. That was very simple. Turns out all you gotta do is literally just take off these little rivets right here. So I'm gonna get to working on the other one. There you go, and that's all she wrote. All right, guys, got it all set. Got my little GoPro set up. Let's see if we can get some good footage.